Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable control center on iPhone lock screen. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on Face ID and passcode. Type in your iPhone passcode. Now on the Face ID and passcode page, scroll down until you get to allow access when locked, and then locate control center. If control center is enabled, just go ahead and disable it. And then if your phone screen is locked while enabled, your control center will be accessible. Now to turn it off, when your phone screen is locked under Face ID and passcode, all you simply need to do is go ahead and disable control center. And then when next your phone screen is locked and you try to access the control center from lock screen, you should see it disabled. You see that? So that's exactly how to disable control center on lock screen iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.